In Earthster, everything that you create can be a starting point for the next step that you take. And one example of this is when we have a complex part of our model. Here I've modeled a particular part, for example, plastic part with its raw materials, forming, and how it gets to me. When I have such a model, very often what I want to do is now I would want another one that's similar. In Earthster, it's very easy to create duplicates and then start editing the newly created one. So I can say that this one, for example, has 60 grams instead of 25, and has an inbound distribution of 400 kilometers, right? So it's a different part and it has different behavior, but I'm capturing all the variability and all the assumptions in there. Now you also have the possibility of duplicating whole areas of it. I can select these two and I say duplicate both of them, and now it stays here, but it's going to show me all 4 plastic parts that I've duplicated, and I can go in there and do those modifications.